Imagine a single line of user input that could delete your entire database, steal credentials, or shut down your server. That's the danger of eval. The eval function takes a string and executes it as Python code. When you pass user input to eval, you're giving attackers the ability to run any Python expression they want. It's like handing over the keys to your application. If a user types 2 plus 2, eval returns 4. But what if they type something malicious? An attacker could run operating system commands to delete files, exfiltrate data to external servers, or import dangerous modules. For example, they could execute code that deletes all files in your directory or uses subprocess to run shell commands. These aren't theoretical risks. They're common attack vectors in real applications. Here's why it's so dangerous. Eval has access to your entire Python environment. That means all imported modules, built-in functions, and global variables. Even if you try to restrict it, attackers can bypass limitations using introspection and built-in functions to reach dangerous code. So what should you use instead? For numbers, use int or float. For data structures, use ast.loads. For Python literals like lists or dictionaries, use ast.literal eval, which only evaluates safe data structures. And always validate input against expected formats before processing it. Bottom line, eval on user input is a critical security vulnerability. Always use type-safe alternatives. Now go practice more Python security questions on Interview Mentor. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.